If you are a teacher who has applied to schools in UAE and left confused, frustrated, or silently rejected, then this video is for you. I want to start by saying something very clearly. UAE schools are hiring, and if you are qualified, experienced, and passionate about teaching, rejection is not a reflection of your worth. In this video, I'm going to explain why so many good teachers get rejected, what UAE schools actually look for, and what you need to fix before you apply again. This is not a motivational video, this is my truth. Calmly and honestly, please listen to this. There are no jobs in the UAE. One of the biggest myths I hear is there are no teaching jobs in UAE anymore. That's not accurate. Schools are hiring every year because teachers relocate, contracts, and new schools are opening and students' numbers change. But here is the difference. UAE schools don't hire emotionally, they hire strategically, which means they filter applications very aggressively, often within seconds. So what feels like rejection is often just elimination by system, not by a human. The number one reason teachers get rejected is CV mismatch. Not lack of experience, not lack of qualifications, just mismatch. Many teachers use CVs designed for their home countries, UK, India, Pakistan, Philippines, and send the same CV to everywhere, or maybe they use ChatGPT. UAE schools look for very specific things: curriculum alignment, clear role titles, impact-based achievement, stability, and progression. If your CV is long, generic, or focused on duties instead of outcomes, it doesn't survive the first screening. And most teachers never get feedback, so they assume they are not good enough. That's not the problem. Another major reason for rejection is timing. UAE schools hire in cycles. Peak recruitment usually happens months before the academic year starts. If you apply late, your CV may never even be opened because positions are already shortlisted and internally. I have seen excellent teachers apply at the wrong time and hear nothing. And I have seen average profiles get calls simply because they applied early or maybe correctly. Timing doesn't replace quality, but it controls visibility. That you need to understand very, very clearly. So here is something teachers don't realize. Schools are not asking, is this teacher good enough? They are asking, does this teacher fit our system with minimal risk? Can this teacher adapt quickly? Do they understand the curriculum? Will they stay for the contract duration? Do they communicate professionally? Your CV, cover letter, and even email tone answer these questions silently. And if the answer isn't clear, they move on. Do you understand what I'm trying to explain you? Now I want to end this video with this, that if you are a teacher feeling rejected, ignored, or discouraged, please pause before blaming yourself. Most rejections in the UAE are not about strategy, they are skills. Before you apply again, fix the structure, fix the alignment, and understand the system you are applying to. The UAE education market is competitive, but it's not closed. Apply smart, not desperate. And if this video helped you understand that you are not alone, subscribe for more honest guidance, because teaching abroad should be empowering, not demoralizing. And if you want to know more detail, please book with me your one-on-one session, and I will guide you through that, how to start your teaching profession in UAE. Now that we have spoken honestly about why teachers get rejected in UAE schools, I want to talk about something important, because understanding the problem is one thing, but knowing how to fix it for your specific profile is something completely different. And that's exactly why I offer my one-on-one session. One of the biggest mistakes teachers make is following generic advice online. Use this CV format, apply on these websites, add these certificates. But the UAE teaching market does not work on one size fits all advices. A British curriculum teacher, a CBSE teacher, an IB teacher, or a fresher and an experienced educator, all of them are evaluated very differently. Your nationality, experience, curriculum, background, years of teaching, and even location, everything matters. And that's where most teachers feel stuck. They don't know what applies to them. So what my one-on-one session actually is doing here is not motivational call. My one-on-one session is not a motivational call. It's a clarity and a strategy session. This is where we sit together and break down your exact profile honestly and realistically. During the session, I help you understand where you truly stands in your UAE market. Now, where you hope to stand, not where social media tells you should stand, but where recruiters and schools will place you. That's the most important part. So in one-on-one session, we cover several important things. First, I analyze your teaching background, your experience, curriculum, exposure, subjects, grades, taught and stability. Then we talk about market fit. I explain which type of schools you should realistically target: international schools, private schools, budget schools, or premium schools, or which type of curriculum. I also help you understand which curriculum aligns best with your profile: British, IB curriculum, CBS, your MOE. Many teachers apply blindly to all the schools and get rejected everywhere. I help you stop wasting applications and start applying strategically. That's the most important part. How do you apply in UAE market? We also talk about your CV, not just formatting, but positioning it. I explain what UAE schools wants to see first, what they ignore, what they silently disqualifies the candidates. We discuss keywords, length, role descriptions, and how to present your experience in a way that speaks to UAE recruiters. I also guide you on what and when to apply, where to apply, and how often. Timing and visibility are critical, and most teachers get this completely. So if you are a fresher or someone with limited experience, this session is especially important. I don't sell false hope. I don't say everyone can get hired immediately, but I do show you pathways. I explain entry routes, how freshers can start, which schools hire beginners, what certifications actually help, and what experience you need to build first. I help you understand how teachers grow in UAE system step by step instead of feeling lost or discouraged. After the one-to-one session, some teachers realize they just needed clarity and they go ahead and apply confidently. Others realize they need deeper support, and that's where my mentorship program comes in. The mentorship is for teachers who wanted guided step-by-step support from understanding the UAE market to actually positioning themselves for hiring. In the mentorship, I help with CV refinement, application strategy, interview preparation, curriculum understanding, professional communication, career planning within the UAE education system. For freshers, the mentorship focuses on building readiness. For experienced teachers, it focuses on upgrading positioning. Not only this, I want to tell you that I discuss demo lessons as well, CVs as well. The most important part is interview questions. If you don't know how to crack the interview questions, how you are going to go on the next step of demo, because demo is the most important part of your first impact. So I want to be very clear about one thing. I don't promise instant jobs. What I offer is clarity, honestly, and strategy. So you can stop guessing, start applying with confidence. If you are tired of rejection, confusion, and silence, the one-on-one session is the best place to start. Understand the market first, then choose the level of support you need. All details for one-on-one session are linked below. And remember, you are not behind. You are just learning the system. The most important question when people do ask me, can you literally I got thousands of DMs in a day. Seriously, I'm saying in a day. And then when I tell them that this session, one-on-one session, is 40-minute session, and to be very honest, it never stays for 40 minutes. I always extend my session until my candidate or the one who is looking for a jobs are not satisfied. They have more queries. I do answer them, but they ask for free counseling sessions. I'm so sorry, my counseling session is not at all free. I give my time. When people ask me this kind of questions, that counseling session 45-minute session can be free, or I will pay you later, or maybe we need more clarity on this.
please don't ask that. But yes, good luck in your journey. If you are coming, or if you are already here in UAE and you are planning for your UAE teaching job, take my one-on-one session or a mentorship program, and then you will succeed. Thank you.